So today we're out in the country. We're on a road trip. I am heading to a sawmill and I am hoping to find a piece of lumber to use for the fireplace mantle. Hopefully I'll find something that works really well for it. So I am here at Peacock Lumber in Plumsteadville, PA. And I came to get a replacement for the mantle at the property. It turns out the one that was there is not going to work because it's really not deep enough to accommodate the decorative piece that I got to go underneath it. And also it's a little bit thin, and I was hoping to find something a little bit thicker for the fireplace. So anyway, I am here and I am hoping that I am going to find something fantastic for it. Okay, so I'm here inside where they have all the slabs. These are huge, so I am not going to be using any of these for my project, but they are beautiful. Oh my gosh, they are enormous. Look at that. All this beautiful live edge. Wow, this thing is huge. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful this is. It's so thick. Okay, so now I'm going to head out to look in the barn and see if they have anything that will work better. Okay, so this looks like it must be the barn. Yeah, there are a lot of pieces out here, so I'm going to just look at some of these. Okay, so I was supposed to have gone into this door, which honestly I would never have thought that I was supposed to go in there, but I'm going in now. Ooh. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is freaking amazing. Oh, Lord, this is, wow. Oh my gosh, they have some beautiful wood in here. And these look like more my kind of prices. Okay, so this one looks a little shallow, or this one looks not deep enough. Let's see. Yeah, this one is probably a little short, although I don't know how long it is. It still might be good. Oh my Lord. I am so happy that I got a chance to come here. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so thick. Look at this. This piece of wood here is like 5 inches thick. Alright, well, I'm gonna just put the camera down so I can get some measurements, and oh my God, I'm pretty sure I'm finding something here today. Wow. So here is, they're cutting down the wood here. Wow. So I did find a board that works. and they were so kind as to cut it down to size for me. And here it is. Yep, 52 by 14. This is awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Come back again.
I definitely will. Oh my gosh, I will be back over and over again. So this was a really fun trip. I really enjoyed just seeing all of the beautiful pieces of wood and imagining the possibilities and seeing, you know, how they do everything and just being out in the country for the day. So I will definitely come back.